So now we can compress some stuff. I'm starting with the low end again. See if we can make that a little bit more aggressive in some sort of way, because this is already very aggressive in my opinion, but now you need to always look with compression that you don't have like stuff like auto gains or auto makeup, because this has an auto makeup on it. You want coloring, or you want something with your, in this case I want coloring because this is a vintage compressor, and I like this compressor because you can push it so hard. And in this case I want to have more aggression. But always watch for that auto makeup in C2 of fab filters and auto gain. There's a lot of compressors, there's an auto gain. And sometimes you're like, oh shit, it gives a lot of gaining, and you just have to press that button and it's not there anymore. Okay, so you hear this little saturation on the top end. Always keep mind of the low end. Also on the meters, see if it doesn't change that much. I love how it now sounds aggressive-wise. Now I feel like the kick needs to pop out a little bit more. You can of course fiddle around in this till you find that perfect glue, but if I just hear only one little thing that needs to have a little boost, most of the time I take a, or I go for a pull tack, just go for that frequency and search that frequency, and it's most of the time in the hundreds.
Stand at the front, we just keep winning it. They like the action when I go back to back with it. I stand at the front, go to the max every run, ain't go down for no one. I control it.
I like where it is right now. Like it's very, has this little bit of juice. There's the 808 boom. In the Massenburg, of course, the pull tack for a little bit of punch. And a mana compressor to give that little edge, that little top end aggressiveness. I think it's pretty cool.